Hello, my name is Buddy Rhodes. Through this video, our goal is to take you through the process of fabricating and installing a concrete countertop. We'll talk about how to make the 3 countertop finishes we produce at our shop: pressed, hard trowel, and ground. The pressed or veined finish is made upside down in a mold, creating voids in what will be the top surface of the countertop when it is turned over. The voids or veins are filled in with a concrete paste in a contrasting color or a tone that matches the color of the slab. So if we are making a pressed countertop, we cast upside down.
We're going to be creating a tabletop using the Buddy Rhodes signature press technique. I found Buddy around the corner, so he's here to give us a little hand in pressing this out. Now, if you notice, Buddy's putting down little balls of concrete and kind of lightly patting those down. Whenever he does that, that creates a veined pattern. That veined pattern would go throughout the entire top.
Well, this seems good for our first layer. The next step is to mix up another batch of cement, just a little bit wetter.
The top will only be as flat as your bottom. So you want to make sure this is as flat as possible. Gonna let this sit for about 3 or 4 hours, take it to the polish station, polish away, and then you'll see the finished product.
The hard trowel finish is cast right side up in the mold. Demold it and finish it right side up. This leaves the trowel marks on the surface, which is the defining characteristic of the trowel technique.
We're gonna go through the whole scheme, start to finish. We'll go through templating, forming, and also casting and pouring of the product.
We are at the job site. Cabinets are ready for templating.
From measurements, there's usually mistakes. So if we make a template of the actual cabinet space, you're going to be much more successful. We have precisely the shape that we're after.
Now that we have the template back at the shop, we're ready to start forming our mold. We're going to break this template down into 3 different sections. We'll just keep building the entire mold all the way around. We don't train for a direct water amount. We train for a consistency like cookie dough. Cookie dough is the perfect consistency for the Buddy Rhodes product line. With the mix, we want to make sure that we only go 1/4 of the way up. That'll give us room for our reinforcement. It's firm enough to where we can press on it a little bit. It's a good time to start troweling it. Joshua will start in this corner working this large piece just to make it smooth. We don't want to work it too much. We just want to make it nice, crisp, like glass. Man, that looks great, Joshua. From here, we're going to move it to the polish station.
The penetrating sealer is going to be applied first. It penetrates into the concrete. We'll follow up with 1 or 2 coats of the satin sealer, and that's the topical sealer. So now we'll get ready. We'll load it up and take it to the site and install it. Okay, we're here with the countertops, and we're going to offload them and bring them into the house. Okay, let's lay this kind of in the middle of the cabinet there. The important thing, as you can see, is we're always keeping this vertical. We've dry fit all the pieces. By dry fitting, it means we've laid them out, located them exactly where we want. We've got our first L piece. We're gonna glue directly to the cabinet. Just got it waxed up, just gotta do some grouting. I'm real happy with it.
Thanks for being with us. You can check us out at www.buddyrhodes.com 24/7. We also have a tech line and a lot of useful information on there. Thanks again.